War Barrel Racing. In third place with a time of 25.06, rider number 7, Delaney Shadgett, riding Playboy's Gold Lady. In second place with a time of 22.35, rider number 28, Crystal Mullen, showing Lily. And in first place with a time of 21.53, number 13, Brianna Macchione, showing his Sierra Peaks.
Have her do it this side.
Brenda? Brenda? Can she go do it now and he can take care of her if she doesn't get back?
Oh, yeah. So she doesn't have to be first? Okay, I just didn't want to, like, mess up the order.